Third in the lineup, the Subaru Forester 2.5i Limited includes even more features to enjoy on your daily drive. The balance of the four-cylinder Subaru Boxer engine is matched with the efficiency of the Lineartronic CVT and the traction of Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive with X-Mode for added capability. The 2.5i Limited comes with fog lights for enhanced visibility, a rear roof spoiler, and the convenience of a power rear gate, making it easier to get things in and out with the touch of a button. Continue looking inside to enjoy heated front seats, along with automatic climate control to help ensure custom comfort. Then open it up further with a panoramic moonroof overhead. You'll also appreciate the convenience of HD radio and Bluetooth connectivity, operated by controls on the leather-wrapped steering wheel. Subaru Starlink Multimedia Plus with a 7-inch touchscreen is there as well, giving you instant access to apps like Pandora, iHeartRadio, Stitcher, and AHA, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio and TravelLink. The latest safety technologies are there too, with blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert to provide added awareness. While Starlink Safety and Security offers a sense of assurance with the ability to promptly send first responders when an airbag goes off, helps police locate your vehicle if it's stolen, and more. Add some perks with available technologies like the touchscreen Subaru Starlink 7-inch multimedia navigation system that offers smartphone-like functionality, Sirius XM Traffic and TravelLink, and a 440-watt equivalent premium audio system featuring a Harman Kardon amplifier and 8 speakers. If you're looking for even more protection, the innovative EyeSight driver assist technology is also available, along with reverse automatic braking to help avoid low-speed collisions while backing up, LED steering responsive headlights to provide better illumination around corners, and high beam assist to automatically dim and activate your high beams.